Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Along Comes Mary by the Association. We can play this the same way on acoustic as well as an electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. We'll start with the intro that goes something like this. I'll play it for you really slowly, and tabs will appear on the screen. We'll play that again later in the song, but it'll start on the A note rather than leading in from the E string. It'll play like this. Now let's get into the chords. For the verses, we'll play an A minor, raise it by 2 frets to a B minor 11/A, and we'll go to the 5th fret and make an A shape and play an A minor 7. And then we'll go back to the chord we played just before that. So we're just moving back and forth like this. We'll strum it this way. That strumming pattern is down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And we'll play that for all the verses. Next we'll do a pretty long pre-chorus, and it's going to go like this, starting with an E, and that's an E to an A chord, so it's going to go like this. So in that part we'll play Along Comes Mary, and then we'll go to E, A, D, G, and then we'll do that 2-strum thing on a B chord to an E chord like this. Then we'll strum an A chord 5 times. Then we'll move up to fret 8 and do this. Now what we're doing there is holding down the B string and G string at fret 8. We're going to play the B string, and then we're going to strike the G string and bend it like that, so we get this effect. After that, we'll go to a D minor 7, an E minor 7, an F major 7, and then back to the D minor 7, and then a D major, and then we'll go back to our strum. So here's how we're going to play that. In order to play the entire song, we'll just repeat those parts. And that's all we need to learn in order to play Along Comes Mary on acoustic or electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.